Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, November 25th. Up and away, that's all I can say. New record highs again last week. Finished at 1801 and a quarter on Friday, up 7.5 points, a 0.5% gain. 1803 and a quarter was the high in the E-mini S&P. Dow added 52, 16,027. Ended up being the leader for the week, up 0.65% on the week. The Nasdaq up another 19.5 points, 3420, was the laggard of the week, so tech is slowing, up only 0.14 for the week. Dollar index down 37, 80.74. That pushed the euro up 90, 135.51, gain of 55 ticks on the week. Bond market was steady to higher, up 20, 131.29. We saw crude oil kind of hold its gains that we saw from Thursday, 94.84 down 60 cents. 95.57 was the high on Friday, and crude oil ended up gaining $1 on the week after making new lows, so we'll want to see if it can follow through from here. Gold, steady, up 50 cents on the day. Is a good thing, I guess, after this slide that it's seen. 12.44 was a close, and it was down $43 on the week last week. So after a record close again on Friday, where do things stand on this Monday morning to start a shortened holiday trading week? Well, right now we're up 6.25 points at 1807.5. We're up 1/3% across the board in the futures as we stand right now, making new all-time highs once again. Dow up 63, 16,090, and the Nasdaq up 13 in the futures at 34.33. Dollar index a little bit of a bounce, 80.85, still below the 81 level. We've got the euro currency at 135.19, down 32, still above 135. See if you can make another press on that 136, and then 140 is the technical target on some follow-through from a technical standpoint, if that can happen. Bonds are steady right now, 131.29. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.84%, and the 10-year note is at 2.75% to keep an eye on. Crude oil giving up some of those gains from last week, 93.64 down 120. Again, crude had been trading between 93 and 95 for about 10 or 12 sessions or so. And lastly, gold cannot get off the mat, down another 13 at 1221. So we're pushing down below that 1250 pretty convincingly in the gold market. But it's still early in the day, so we'll see where we are here by the end of the session, and by the end of the week. That 1250 pivot is something to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive all-time record highs once again, up 6 right now at 1807.5 in the E-mini S&P and up 63 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.